Do you know this founding father? Born to free black parents in Philadelphia in 1766, young James Forten faced a life-altering tragedy when his father died in a boating accident. Raised by his mother, James was educated at a Quaker school. At age 8, he began working at Robert Bridges' sail loft to support his family. As a teenager, Forten served on an American privateer during the Revolutionary War. Captured by the British, he narrowly escaped being sold into slavery. After the war, Forten returned to Philadelphia and became an apprentice to Robert Bridges, his father's former employer. His skills and work ethic quickly earned him a promotion to foreman. By 1798, Forten had not only mastered sailmaking but also purchased a business, creating an integrated workforce, a rarity at the time. Forten used his wealth to support anti-slavery causes. He was a key figure in funding the Liberator newspaper. James Forten and his family supported education for black children in Philadelphia by helping to open the first tax-supported school for African American students. They also established a scholarship at the Oneida Institute, which provided free tuition and boarding for deserving students. Forten was one of the wealthiest black Americans supporting abolitionist causes. A Revolutionary War veteran and successful businessman, he is a founding father who fought for equality for all Americans.